Hey, hello everyone. Today in New York, and we are at the warehouse for Packaged, and we have with us Juan, who is the president and the partner for Packaged. Hi, Juan. How are you doing today?
Good, good. Thank you for coming down.
Absolutely lovely. So, just tell a bit, more about what Packaged is all about, and what do you do at Packaged?
Package is a technology-forward packaging company. We do manufacturing, fulfillment, and packaging design for pretty much every sector of the packaging industry. Here in our facility, we do everything from design services on the other side. We have a showroom where customers can come in, see a wide range of different products, as well as storage here in the facility and fulfillment. So we do specialty kitting. The product comes in,
Right.
we'll kit it out, and we actually ship it out to the end consumer.
Right. No, that's great, and I think it's been a pretty good experience. Together working since a long time now. I would like to know from your perspective. So, how do you feel things were different with us? And I think it's the first time that you guys, outsource technology, and it's been a relationship going so far since at that time, and we already have a lot of new ideas coming up in discussion.
Yeah,
So, what do you feel is different working with us?
I think that from the onset, I think you kind of understood the customer journey. I mean, we're customer focused. We do everything in house ourselves, and that was a very similar business aspect that you had
Right.
with your team. But I think the customer journey and understanding the urgency around what we service our clients with, there was a common synergy between companies.
Right.
So I think that's why we work really well together.
Right. And since we usually say that we are a consulting first company, so did you feel that in the entire process of all the projects that we did together?
Yeah, definitely. I think along the way and across any project that you have, it's really a journey, and there's difficult parts through it. You either
Right.
plan as well as you do, but there's always something that comes up. And I think every step along the way, we had yourself or a team member be able to come back to us and say, here's our suggestion, here's what we should
Correct.
do, and it was really collaborative.
Right. So that's why I mean in today's AI era, we probably would say that every company could be a development company, but there are very few that are consulting first companies. So we always tell our customers in a way that we are always there. Just come down to us with your problem. We are your consultants, and we'll get you in the right direction.
That's absolutely it. I mean, most of the times when you embark on a new project, you have a plan and it changes.
Right.
So I think along that, you guys have done a great job at being able to evolve and adapt to those changes as we go.
Right. That absolutely makes sense. Thank you, Juan. Thank you for your time.